Salamat, ma'am.
Pero dito meron ka bang mga kakaibang natutunan compared to working with Star Cinema Parati?
This is my, I worked with Star 2 times. Yeah, and it's just nice to work with different directors, diba? Yeah, I learned a lot from Direct Joey, diba? He always says, I don't want parang big reactions, I just want very subtle, very real. Diba? Pretend the camera's not even there, pretend you guys are really talking. Kasi alam naman, diba, kapag magkwentuhan tayo sa kaibigan natin, walang camera, parang simple lang tayo magsalita. Parang gano'n lang gusto niya eh. So parang gano'n, parang every director you work with, you get so many inputs all the time and new things to learn from. So, sarap.
Meron ka ba reaction the first time you saw the poster also? Kasi parati siya, puro siya ano?
Ladder? Parang ladder?
Oo, tapos puro siya ano, kama.
Okay. Masabay ito lang. Dapat lahat tayo nasa kama. Uy, diba? Ewan ko ba? Ba't kama pa? Nakita ba yung version 2 din na poster eh? Nakita niya? Yung sikiray ng taas parang umulutang. So yun. Ewan ko, ba't kama?
Parang may notice like this.
May?
Parang naughty ng konti.
Naughty ng konti.
Naughty ng konti.
Pero yung kulay, may story din yan.
Gusto kasi ni Derek, colorful.
Yeah.
Parang there's two sides in the story.
Mas colorful yung isa siya story.
So may follow-up question naman. So how is it working with Carla and with Isabel?
Well, I've known her dati pa, not professionally, like talagang friends kami. But this is the first time we all work together. It's nice you know, nung hindi pa nag-showbiz si Belle, kilala na ko na siya. So, kilala ko yung hindi showbiz na Belle, diba? Yung wala sa set. Pero nung nasa set, sobrang professional set, diba? Sobrang professional. Nagulat nga ako sa paano siya on set. Very professional, diba? But who I was really impressed with talaga was Carla. It's the first time to work with her. And she's a very smart person. And I've seen her before when I was in GMA, kung nasa SOP ako dati. Nakikita kami, yun lang, hi. Pero this is the first time talaga nagka-excel kami. She's very smart and very bright. Kahit mga linya ko, alam niya eh. Diba? Parang, basta parang, bukat niya, parang libro eh. She's very nice and she's very professional also. Diba? Kapag excel na talagang nasa excel na lang, gano'n. But I was impressed with her eh. Kasi kahit yung mga linya ng iba, alam niya. Yun lang.
Tell us something about your character.
My character, my name is Tristan. Basically, he's a very rich businessman, rich young businessman. He has this girl he sees all the time, nung bata pa sila. At he takes love for granted, di ba? Parang kapag pumupunta yung babae sa Pilipinas, nakikita sila, nasa kama sila, parang take advantage palagi. Hanggang isang beses sinabi ng babae, magpapakasal na siya. Parang nagulat si Tristan, diba? Akala ko may something tayo, pero sabi ng babae, we never naman asked, diba? So basically, it's meaning na, not always,
friends with benefits, like?
Friends with benefits. You shouldn't always, kumaga, feeling ka, you already have to talk to your partner, diba? Your boyfriend, you're going to talk to them, ano ba tayo, saan tayo galing, diba? You have to have your relationship clear, yeah. So anyways, he had a broken heart, and then he learned that he shouldn't take love for granted. Diba? So nakilala niya itong isang babae sa office niya. Carla works for him. At yun, parang hinahabol niya. At ngayon alam na niya, paghabol niya yung babae mas mahirap na kasi parang, diba, hindi pala madali yung babae, diba? Parang, mahirap din.
Yes, hi, I'm Rizzy. Follow up lang din sa question ni Jude tungkol din sa character mo. Meron bang part na sa character mo na parang nakaka-relate ka rin in real life?
Yes, siyempre na-relate ko talaga, nung bata pa ako, nung high school pa ako, or one time in my life, far down the road there, diba? I've experienced that, diba? I've experienced taking love for granted, taking girls for granted parang in high school, diba? You think everything's for fun, you go party, you do stuff, mga ganyan, diba? So, in a way, parang I saw a little of myself before, diba? And then once you want to go back and take girls seriously, it's harder the second time around. Because parang you messed up the first time and the second time is harder.
With this role ba, parang ito na ba yung mark ng parang tatanggap ka na rin ng mas mature roles kasi parang graduate na rin sa mga patitans na role, mga ganun?
I don't think it's not really it's mature. Not really. It's not very heavy. It's very just very rich, very light. Yeah.
Rom-com movie siya parang.
Yeah. Yung Shake Rattle na role, I'm excited. Yun yung excited talaga ako doon. Yun, light pa rin to. It's just very about love. Nothing very heavy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
Mateo, how is it working with a huge number of lead cast? Would you prefer yung small cast lang sa isang movie or yung ganyang kadami?
Actually, hindi naman, hindi talaga kami nagka-eksena niya. Halimbawa, si Natalie, si Ella, si Kiray, hindi kami nag-eksena ni Albi eh. Si Marie Carla, siya yung kapatid ko dito. Si Miss Jacqueline Jose, siya naman yung mami ko. Yan, masarap eh. Kasi first time ko siya nag sobrang stick si Miss Jacqueline eh. Yun, masarap ba? It's very fun, diba? But working with a big cast and small cast, it's the same, okay lang.
So the stories happening all at the same time, parang ganun yung Somebody to Love?
Yes, halimbawa kami ni Carla dito nag-uusap kami sa isang dinner table about our problems. Si Kiray naman at si Alvin nandun naman sa kabilang table nag-uusap, pero hindi kami magkilala. So parang two lives are happening in one, two stories are happening in one time, diba? So it just shows the whole world that this world is so big na marami mga bagay na nangyayari while we're doing something, diba? Alam mo, we have love problem now, and you were fighting, they're fighting too. So in this world, there's many problems, diba?
How did it started for you, Somebody to Love? Did you audition for the role, or were all of you handpicked for the roles?
For me personally, they came to Star Magic and they asked if I was interested to do a film with Regal and direct Joey Reyes. Narinig ko, it's Joey Reyes and Regal. I never worked with Regal. I said yes, but I didn't even read the script yet. But yun, because of direct Joey, I've heard a lot about him. Tita Mariol, everybody's been talking good about him. And he's a talagang parang he's a big director. So yeah.
Thank you.
Anyway,
Final question. What is it in direct Joey Reyes na gustong-gusto mo makatrabaho sa direct?
Before that, he's done
What movies have you
the one of Kim and Gerard. What movie was that?
Yung... Sige ako.